Okay, this is Tony with Camp Detailing here in Central Florida. Got another Ski Nautique. This is the before. It's all crusty. It's been sitting for quite a while. Gonna get to work on it. It's gonna get a full interior, exterior detail, ceramic coat, all that stuff. Yellowing on the hull is gonna get removed. Camp Detailing here in Central Florida. We work on all boats, but we specialize in Ski Nautiques. We work on all kinds of boats 7 days a week. I just do a lot of seats and upholstery and stuff for Nautique boats. Showing you this before real quick. It's been doing a lot of sitting.